Hello and welcome to this how-to video. Today in the how-to video we're going to be installing a Jeep tailgate table, and my wife is going to be helping me. But first, let's start off with opening the box. So they're factory direct ordered. Inside the box you got a nice little foam packaging for it. You got your little instructions, and then you have your actual table wrapped up in foam. So here's your rock slide engineering table, and here's the hardware that you're going to need for it. And the tools that will be necessary is going to be one socket wrench and a 4mm Allen key or Allen key socket. So let's begin. You want to start off by pulling off your plastic Jeep cover on the tailgate. You come down here, you just pull out. They have some clips and it comes off. When you pull it off, on the back of here you have these little clips on each one right here. You need to remove all of this. So you just press in. And remove your little Jeep logo just like that. You then take your plastic cover and you reinstall it. Making sure you push in. And what that does is it exposes these 3 holes right here where you're going to be putting your screws on. So now I'm going to get my lovely wife and continue the video here in a minute. Alright, we're back, and here's my lovely wife Bushra. She just pops out of nowhere. So now we're going to put the hardware onto the table first, and once we get the hardware on, then we'll be able to lift up the table and put it onto the back of the Jeep. So you want to start off by taking your 3 bolts and sliding them up the holes up on top. Once you have those bolts in, hey handsome, you take your spacers and you install them, and then to hold them in place you have these little O-rings that come with the kit, and you push them on, and this will keep your spacer from falling off when you putting the table on. So I'm not sure if you can see the background. I have one of those pictures. Yes. From the background we have the Delaware River. So we're not shooting this at no garage, nothing at all. It's nice and easy. So if you get this delivered and you're camping out, or you just pick one up and you want to install it, it takes a couple of simple hand tools, about 5 minutes to install. So go ahead, grab that side, and we're going to bring it up to the Jeep for install. So you want to line up those 3 bolts again back here, and once you do, get your little 4mm tool, and you're going to start these bolts inside. Of course, you always start by hand before tightening it up. You got yours started?
Yes.
We can lift this up so we can show you guys. And then You like it, baby.
All right.
So now we got 2 of the bolts in. Get the middle one in. Now I wouldn't recommend using power tools on this because you don't want to damage the threading on your tailgate, and it really doesn't take too long and doesn't have to be really tight on there. So once you get 3 tight, up. That's it. That's your entire install right there. So that was a quick breakdown of how to install. This table goes up and down, and then to put it away, it folds up. These 2 fold in, and this comes down. And it has a magnet to keep it tight on there. And then to open it up, you have 2 little feet right here that it catches onto the little latchers. And you got it right there. And that's your Rock Slide Engineering tailgate table. So I got it just for the fact that it's a 2-tier. So when we're cooking, the table could be up, do everything, and then without having to put the stove away and everything, just put it down and we have the prep table right up on top. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you be safe out there while you're jeeping and staying off road. Baby, anything to add?
I love it. It looks so nice.
Well, till next time. Hope this helped you guys with the install. Have a good one.